guys, in this makeup video I'm doing look from the ColourPop Coconut Collection, and I'm using the Super Shock eyeshadows and a few other things. The lippy, one of the lippies from the line, and a few other products. This one's pretty shimmery, but also pretty wearable, but you can always control the shimmer based on how you apply it and the products that you use to apply it with, or apply them with. Without further ado, if you'd like to see how I achieved it, stay tuned. I'm going to start by doing my brows. Normally I do this off camera, but just using the NARS Naya, N-A-I-A, which is the medium brown cool. This works because my roots need touching up. I'm going underneath my brow with concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a primer now. Taking the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer in sheer as my primer today. Today I'm going to be using some products from the ColourPop Coconut Collection. I may post this one before my second one. I filmed one already that I was going to post first, but I think I might post this one first. I don't know, just cause. I'm going to take Shellphone in my crease. That's this color from the Going Coconuts palette. Going Coconuts. I'm taking this color here in my crease as a buffer shade. MAC 224 for that. Now I'm going into my Super Shock shadows that came in the trio. Let me figure out which one I want to use. I'm going to first take a little Quarky. I'm going to use my finger actually and put this on the center. And bring it inwards. That is so pretty. I found that these apply way better with your fingers. I'm now going to take another color from the trio. This one is called Deep Dive. It's a darker color. It looks like this. Taking a different finger and sweeping that at the end. And they blend super well, so don't have to worry about that. I'm kind of sweeping a tiny bit in my crease, just a little. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't get over how pretty this is. Okay, I'm gonna take the last color in the trio now. This one is called Peekaboo, lightest. And this is going in the inner corner. The top and the bottom of the inner corner. If you don't get it perfect down there, don't worry. That means with your finger it's going to be wider than that space. I'm going to go back in the center color. I want a little more of that, a little more vibrancy. A little Quarky color. Going back into the crease with Shellphone. And then above that color, I'm taking Shredded, which is the color at the top left of my Going Coconuts palette. This is my brow highlight. Taking a little more Shellphone just to deepen it. Just grab some liners. Now ColourPop has a gel pen liner or gel liner like this. I don't know where it is at the moment. So I just grabbed the Urban Decay Demolition Glide On 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It's just a brown. I'm applying this to the water and lower lash line. I'm going to set it with Nutty on the outside here. On the inside, I'm debating between these two. That one and that one. I might actually end up mixing them together. But first, I'm going to start with Nutty while I contemplate that. Sweep it up a little bit. I'm going to take some liner. This is the ColourPop Liquid Liner in Grande. It's just the brown one. Feel free to use black if you so wish to do so. Just get them kind of similar. I'm gonna clean up with concealer. I'm using a mixture of, I'm out of my normal color, which is dark 40, but I'm mixing medium dark 32 ColourPop No Filter Concealer with Born This Way Multi-Sculpted Concealer in Mocha. Taking some mascara, my usual Marc Jacobs Major or Velvet Noir Major Volume. I'm now going to apply some lashes, my wispies. Touching up with the eyeliner again. Better to wait on that side. It's not ready yet. Gonna apply some foundation. You know when the glue gets in your inner corner and it sticks together? It's so irritating. I'm gonna take my Dior Air Flash foundation in shade 501. It's slightly lighter than I would like it to be, but it still works because I don't apply it on too heavily. Just spraying the foundation brush. I know this is probably not how to do it. I've said that several times, but I don't care because it works. It's the best way it works for me because if I spray it, when I spray it, it gets everywhere. I don't want that, so I'm just gonna spray around the perimeter. Looks like my lash is good now. So I'm gonna cover that with glue. Cover it with liner. Good to go on liner now. Oh, I love this look so much. I really hope it's not similar to my other one though. I mean, I use different products, so it just gives you an idea of versatility. I wish to God I could use this bronzer. But as you guys heard in my review, it just does not work on my skin complexion. I mean, I don't know. Let me just try it. But I know it's not gonna work. I can almost promise you, because it looks way lighter than my skin. Yeah, and then it looks kind of ashy. I don't like that look. So I'm just gonna skip bronzer. Can't use that. I'm gonna apply some highlighter first. Taking the MAC Blonde Mineralized Skin Finish. This is like old school. Just take any highlighter that you own. I'm applying a lot of this. I mean, I have to because my eyes are well highlighted, so I can't neglect the face. I probably did way too much, but I always do. Y'all should be used to it by now. Taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Cheerio. It's a cute color. Cute name too. Just using a blush brush. I'm semi-contouring with this, so it's gonna go a little lower, but not too low. You'll see what I mean. You can kind of see what I did there, sort of. I'm gonna go a little heavier for photos, because I will be taking photos today. It's so pretty with that highlight. And it's kind of made the cheeks pink toned. Complements it really well. For lips, I'm gonna go with the other color. The other tutorial I used Waikiki. This time I'm gonna use the other one called Shaka. I guess you pronounce it. S-H-A-K-A. Oh, it smells so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I used the Super Shock shadows this time from the trio that comes in the Coconut Collection. The other video that's coming up after this, I haven't yet decided what order I'm gonna upload them in, but for the other video I used the actual Going Coconuts palette for the entire look, and I didn't use the Super Shock shadows at all for that one. Just goes to show you this collection can do. Like, even though the colors are very wearable, you know, it could go as a beachy look for one, or, you know, a shimmery, neutral holiday look as well. So I think it's such a nice collection, and this is the perfect collection for those of you who don't like a lot of color. Even though the colors I used are pretty shimmery, the palette has mattes, you know, in there. And if you've seen my review video, I'll link it for you below, and also on screen, you'll know that there are mattes and shimmers in the palette, so you can mix and match. You can wear just matte, you can wear just shimmer, whatever you want to do. And it just, okay, the palette doesn't smell like coconuts, but the lip products, these sticks, they smell amazing. and I could just smell it on my lips as I'm wearing it. But hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please rate the video, subscribe if you have not, and also turn your post notifications on by clicking the bell to the bottom, right to the bottom of this video, and you'll know exactly when I post a new video. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.